Welcome, my name's Ned. This video is number 1 in a series of 14 very short help videos. And this video is going to help you join the 100 Days campaign. All the information covered in the help videos can be found in the description below all the videos. The information includes things like the invite link to the 100 Days campaign, so you can send that link to others and invite them to join the campaign. There's the names of people who can support you if you need help, and the link to the volunteer agreement. Please do have a read through of that and sign it when you can. And lastly, I've included my number, so don't hesitate to call me if you need immediate support. And if you prefer reading how to follow step-by-step guides rather than watching a video, the link to the transcript of what I'm saying in these videos is also below. The 100 Days campaign is using Mattermost for communication. Mattermost was chosen because it's a collaborative tool. It works slightly differently to other apps such as WhatsApp, Signal and Telegram. But a key feature of Mattermost is that you can find and chat to individual members and other groups. That speeds up connections and communication, helping you quickly find the information you need, which leads to less frustration. This video covers 3 things: how to create your Mattermost account to join the 100 Days campaign using your phone and your computer, how to get the Mattermost app onto your phone, how to navigate using the app on your phone and in a browser like Chrome or Safari on your computer. If you don't have a Mattermost account, please continue watching. And if you do have a Mattermost account, then watch video number 2. So, here's how you create a Mattermost account and join the 100 Days campaign using the invite link on your phone first. So Rob is going to screen share his phone. And then the first thing you need to do is to find the invite link. Now this could have been emailed to you or sent to you in a chat. Rob has had it emailed. When you tap on the invite link, that will take you to the Mattermost sign-up page. If you scroll down and type in the email address you want to use for your account. And then next, choose a username that you'll want to be known by within Mattermost. It's best to use a name, it needs to be all lowercase with no spaces, and it's best to use a name that you're known by rather than choosing something obscure so that other people can find you easily to chat with you. Then you need to choose a password. It needs to be a minimum of 8 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, and 1 special character, like an exclamation mark. And if you've got a memory like mine, remember to write down your password if you need to. And then, once you've finished doing that, select Create Account. Now, the next thing you need to do is to verify your email address. So if you go back to your emails, and you can hit the back arrow to get back to them, and then find the one from XR Global, Please remember, if you can't find it in your inbox, check your spam or your junk folder. Then verify your email. This will take you back to the sign-in page, where now you can log in just by typing in your password. And here we are, first steps on Mattermost. Now, it's always best to use the Mattermost app on your phone. So if you have an Android, go to your Play Store, and if you have an iPhone, go to your App Store. And then search for Mattermost. Then install or get. And then open. Now, people get stuck on this page, but please remember, or write this down as well, that the URL for our Mattermost is organise.earth. You do have to put the whole thing in here, and don't worry about the grey writing. Just type over the top of it, HTTPS // organise with an S .earth, and then hit connect. And then you just need to sign in using the account details that you've created. And here you are on Mattermost using the app. The first place it takes you to, allow your notifications so that you do get notified of any messages. And the first place it takes you to is something called the main chat. But what I'd like you to do is to navigate to the welcome message. And to do that, you swipe left to right or tap top left. And you'll see at the top of the blue column, underneath the word unreads, the welcome bot message. So that message gives you some further information. To expand a message on Mattermost, you just tap the blue arrow at the bottom. And this welcome message will help you learn more about what's available. As it says in the message, there are 5 main channels or chats. Each of these are useful channels that you've been joined to automatically. And in the welcome message, there's a short description about each channel to help you know which ones to use for what. To go into each of those channels, swipe left to right or tap top left. And there you can see the other channels, and then select the channel you want just by tapping on it. When you see a channel that's sitting under unreads, if you could swipe left to right again for me. When you see a channel that's bold and white and sitting under unreads, it simply means there are unread messages in that channel. Once you've been into that channel and read those messages, then the channel will grey out and drop down to below the word channels. And you'll see that now Rob has read that welcome message, that's also dropped down to under direct messages, because that message is direct to you. But if you want to go back and read it again, simply select the message and it will open up. Thank you. And that's how you register for the 100 Days Team campaign on Mattermost. on your phone and downloading the app and a little bit of basic navigation. Next, we're going to look at how to create the account using your computer. So, to get onto Mattermost on your desktop, first of all, find the invite link and then select that. And you basically follow the same process as you saw on the phone. Remember, if you're choosing a username, it's all lowercase and no spaces. Enter a password, minimum of 8 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase, 1 number and 1 special character. Then you need to obviously go back to your emails to verify your email address. Find the one from XR Global. XR Global look after Mattermost. Verify your email address. It'll enter your email address automatically. So you just need to enter your password and then log in. Now, on the desktop version, you get this option on the left-hand side to watch an overview. It's quite complicated, this overview. You can watch it, but it's a little bit techy. You can take a tour of the channels, manage tasks with your first board. Don't worry about that. It's a nice little feature of Mattermost where you can run a project. You can invite other team members by using that invite link. You can download the desktop and the mobile apps. I tend to use the app on my phone, but not on my desktop. The reason being is because if I want to, I can open other channels in a new tab by right-clicking on them and select Open in New Tab, or I can do that with direct messages. So it's a nice way of being able to navigate quickly between channels and direct messages without having to leave where you were. And then you can complete your profile here. If you want to keep this but not have it open, you can just click the little X bottom left and that will minimize it down, and then if you want to, you can click it again to come back to it. So here you can see I have the welcome bot message underneath my direct messages using the desktop version. So there's all the same information, but because it's on my screen, it's expanded already. And it's the same navigation, except because I've got a big screen, everything is open. So I don't need to swipe left to right or tap top left. I can just go into each of these channels and see what's going on, what's being talked about. And you can see as I'm going through them that they're greying out. But on this occasion, they're not dropping down because up here I have something called threads rather than unreads. I can create unreads so that all of my channels or direct messages are all at the top here underneath threads. And I'll be showing you how to do that in a later video. So that was how to create your Mattermost account to join the 100 Days campaign using your phone and on your computer, how to get the Mattermost app on your phone, and then how to navigate using the app on your phone and in a browser like Chrome or Safari on your computer. So please say hi and introduce yourself in the introductions channel when you're ready. And no matter what the question, don't hesitate to use the Ask Anything channel, or you can call me on 07949 069 730 and I'll do whatever I can to help. Please watch the other short help videos for some of the other great things you can do on Mattermost, like having easy to read conversations, editing your messages, which is key for dyslexics like me, saving your messages, also key for somebody like me with a terrible memory. And I'll look forward to chatting with you on the 100 Days campaign team. And thanks for watching this video and for stepping up.